the big breaking news coming in right now. The COVID numbers have been released by the Health Ministry, and India has reported 1,26,789 cases in the last 24 hours. This is the highest ever. 1,26,000 cases being reported in a period of 24 hours. Over the last 3 days, India has been averaging over 1 lakh cases every single day. The deaths has reported during this period is 685. Let's go across to NDTV. Sukirti now for more. And Sukirti, a massive crisis, the second wave, as many experts had predicted, worse than the first one, and massive numbers being reported, 1,26,000. Today the Prime Minister will be holding a meeting with all chief ministers.
Well, yes, today the Prime Minister is set to hold that meeting, and this coming on a day when India has recorded its highest daily cases at over 1,26,000 cases, and a big jump of at least over 11,000 cases from yesterday, because yesterday we had recorded about 1,15,000 cases. And in the top 5 list of states, of course, Maharashtra, which reported its highest daily spike in the last 24 hours, it has over 59,000 cases. Chhattisgarh has recorded over 10,000 cases, a state that has continuously been pointed out by the centre that it is much smaller in terms of its population and area, but recording disproportionately very high numbers of cases. Similarly, if we look at deaths, Maharashtra has recorded over 300 deaths, Punjab has recorded over 60 deaths, Chhattisgarh with over 50 deaths. So, situation continuing to be very concerning in both in terms of COVID cases as well as deaths. Centre has held various meetings, has sent central teams also, but of course we've been seeing that discord between the centre and the states, especially opposition-ruled states, and we have been seeing that politics playing out where there is this constant blame game that is on between the centre and the states in terms of COVID pandemic control measures, in terms of vaccine stock. All of those things continue to become a more of a controversy rather than something that we would have seen a cooperative approach towards. So the nation continuing to report very high number of cases, but we are still to hear from the centre in terms of whether there is going to be a greater cooperation between them and especially a state like Maharashtra, where the situation is the worst at this point of time.